Guys, I'm so excited. My parcel is here. Can you see? This is my order. And you see, these are my order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, guys, the parcel is here. So, let's just try to open this one. Here, my O2O beauty products. It just came today. So, let's just open this one and let's see if this one is complete. Okay, my O2O product. My O2O beauty products order. Guys, I've been thinking of buying this one long time, so I am very excited to have these products now. So because I want to try. Actually, I'm not really using makeup, but this one it's like, oh, this one is like for me. I feel like I want to use it. Okay, this is all. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's just check. Warm Ivory. Warm Ivory. Where's that one? What is this? Foundation all day. So I think this is the one. Yeah, Warm Ivory. This is the Warm Ivory, guys. One. So it's like the 5 pieces assorted. 5 pieces assorted matte and liquid lipstick. Okay, let's. No. Where's the one? Maybe this one. No, this one is Pink Brown Storm. So okay, there is Pink Brown Storm and 2 mini makeup brush kits. Okay, I think this one. This one. Okay, 2 Shine Air Cushion Baby Cream. Okay, baby cream. And 2 Velvet Matte Lip Tint. O2O number 8. This one. So guys, this is my order, but actually they sent me the wrong one of this one. This one did not came. Instead of this one, they give me the perfume that I did not order. But anyways, so, I will still continue, and I want to check this one. This one is the, yes, I have this one, the Haughty Foundation All Day. See, it's nice. Yes, it's also nice. My O2O. Yes, we'll try this one, and I'll try to open this one. What is this one? The eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette. Yes, there is Pinky Brown Storm eyeshadow palette sa O2O. Actually, I'm so very excited, but I'm still excited even though there is there's one that I received, the other one that I did not order, but maybe I will oh my god. because of excitement. Now I don't have power to see the O2O charm. Oh, nice. This guys. Oh, it's nice. Really, it is actually, it's like what I see in the picture. It is nice. Yes. Yes, it is. Yeah. So, not bad. It's really nice. So, again, let's this one. The Caution Baby Cream. Caution Baby Cream. Yes, I have. So, I have these three already. Caution Baby Cream. Yes. Pink White. #1 Baby Caution Cream. Shine, shine. Wow. It is very small, but it's okay. Wow. It is really nice. It's nice. Yes, I got it. So again, this one, what is this? Glossy Pouty Monster lip oil. Lip oil here. Lip oil. It's hard. Lip oil. Wow. Oh, this is the lip oil. Nice. And the other one, Pick Me Up. What is this? Maybe this one is the Velvet Matte Lip Tint and Cheek. So I think this is the one. Yeah. Velvet Matte Lip Cheek and Matte. So let's open. We'll so this is the lips. Nice. And the last one is the, what is this one? Mini makeup brush set. Let's see. This one is, I'm also excited. I'm very excited with this one. Yeah. Roseberry brush, mini makeup brush set. Let's open. Wow, it's really nice. See, really, really nice. Really pink. Hey, very cute. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, these are all the items that I get. Which is like this one I did not order. This one I did not order. This one is mistake. So I tried to reach out to the person I ordered this one, to the shop. So let's see if they will reply to me and change this one to my real order. So these are the items, the products from O2O that I really what is this one? I really like to order since before. So I have this, guys, and maybe next time I will still order. Thank you. I will use this one later.